Hello everyone! Today's video is dedicated to the incredible luck of police officers and their skills. Thanks for watching. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are always welcome.
We're shutting down these excess of 100. Still northbound all over the road. There's going to be Gulf Trace 19.
Oh! Shortly after the pursuit was discontinued, the suspect lost control of his vehicle as he continued heading northbound on US 19 and struck Deputy Henrique's vehicle at approximately 70 miles per hour. Thankfully, Deputy Henrique and the suspect suffered only minor injuries. Pay attention to the oncoming car and the ice on the road.
Call 513-475-8000. That's 575-8000. Highways, not all that bad, with the exception of a couple spots. Westbound 275 between Milford and Loveland, still a slow.
The unconscious driver almost knocked down a policeman. Fortunately, the drivers in both cars were buckled up and no one was seriously injured. Not even a scratch was left on the policeman. I guess you could say it was the police officer's second birthday. The driver, who lost consciousness due to health problems, is fine. Pay attention to oncoming cars.
For 115,
42nd and Boone, PI accident, start north.
For 115. 400 response to Max.
Send me the call.
A double accident in this video. The policeman was not hurt, the civilians were just bruised. Unfortunately, since this is my old video, which needs to be redone, I can't do anything with this montage, and what happens there next, I would not be able to show anyways. If you're interested in the full version, just ask me in the comments.
Golf 2, 42, say he was 97.
Wyoming Police Sergeants Rob Meredith and Chris DeBoer responded to a wrong-way drunk driver on US 131 by putting their lives into the head-on path of a truck speeding at 80 miles an hour.
Watch yourself, watch yourself. We are going to set up like this. He's coming right at us right now. Alright, we got him coming at us, dispatch. You alright?
Yep.
2014 Fort Minute.
Head up.
Copy, got hit a head on. We'll get medical started. Where you at?
And a couple of other cases of police luck and skill, which I'll leave without comment. Thanks to the police officer's reaction, the girl remained unharmed.
.483. I am code 4. My motorcycle just been ran over westbound 114 west of 161.
So sorry.
No worries, man. You okay?
I'm okay. Oh my god. You scared me.
I'm fine. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold tight.
Driving by and I just see that car brake. I was like, holy crap.
Okay.
Check if you're okay.
Yeah, I'm good, brother. Luckily, I looked up and I heard it.
How does this happen?
I hadn't even asked him. The only thing I asked him was if he was okay. Luckily.
Good evening, Officer Taylor, Bridgeport. You have a driver's license insurance on you?
Yes, sir.
You know why I'm pulling you over?
No, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
You just made that left turn, it was red.
Oh, it was red?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know.
If you would have waited 3 more seconds, it turned green, like right after you went through the intersection.
Oh, I thought it was
The other light, you know, the light's going...
straight.
Who is this? Hey! Get out of here, man. You're good.
Straight.
Who is this?
On I-35 northbound at 75th Street.
He was on his way to another call.
Are you okay?
When this emergency came to him, his dash cam rolling the whole time.
Oh, let's see if we can't get you out of the way here.
But less than 4 minutes later, the routine noise of I-35 traffic gave way to this.
I'm okay.
Corporal Mullis is alerting another officer about his condition before checking the people in the car.
Are you guys okay? Yeah, yes.
Corporal Mullis says reviewing this video has brought it back home for him.
Well, I want to make... I understand everybody has bad days, okay? So I've issued you a written warning today as opposed to a citation. Okay? I'm going to warn you, though, because the citation's $200. Okay? So don't take this as, you know... Jeez. Oh, my God. I got to go after him.
A deputy in Adams County in Wisconsin was almost hit by a passing car as he was issuing a written warning to a driver he had pulled over. It's just my first nickname in my first online game, Dark Orbit. Just Sergey was taken. It offered me Sergey 322, and that's it. That's how it went.